All right, in today's video, I'm going to go through the confluence of the day and see what opportunities come up. Today is Monday, July 22nd. It's 10 a.m. Pacific, so 1 p.m. Eastern. Traders are just coming back from lunch. Here are the opportunities to potentially get in. Seems like these were the ones where the most confluence. But I'll move it over here for now and look at that later. Here, APD. Big down day, AVY, I don't know what this is. Finding resistance at the 50-day, finding some consolidation on this one right here. Cigna found support on the 200-day and potentially finding new support on the 50-day. So I would keep CI Cigna on the watch list. So let's just take a note of that. COP found resistance on the 200-day moving average and moving lower. It looks like it's just going to continue this bear flag, after a whole month, 2 months. This is just like the 50-day moving average is flat and is a resistance level right now. So I'll stay away. Sellers are in. It's a V. It's like I would sell, but we're on potential support. Look at Dover a bit more closely. I mean, it looks like we're coming from an uptrend and then just consolidated with selling pressure, and then buyers try to step in and the sellers just came back. So I'd stay away or go short. All right, Devon Energy is, energy sector has just been sideways, chopping. So in the trend following type of strategy, not so good. I would like to see the 50 and the 200-day kind of flatten out a little bit while price chops more around it and then, determine the direction. DXCM is in a downtrend below both key averages, so I'll go short, not long position. Same for EQT, like I'd go short, not long. Etsy, I'd go short, not long. Fortive, it's been chopping around this 200-day moving average. It's found a rally since July and gave back about half of that. I don't know what this is, but it just looks like it tried to go somewhere and it just got sold off, and now it's finding resistance actually on the 50-day moving average. This is finding resistance on the 200-day moving average, but there is a notable rally. HSIC. Let's look into the HSIC. What that is. Notable rally to the 200-day moving average. If it did really come back around, and maybe continues. IFF looks. I mean, it's been consolidating for a new move higher. I don't know. Today is up 2.71% at the high currently. So, ideally we see another continuation like May, right? Is it ready or is it just a fake out? I don't know what this is, but we're below the 200-day and it's a falling 200-day. So I'm just going to stay away for now. But, you can note that from June, it ran up, found consolidation, found resistance on the 50, broke out in July, and then kind of try to break. So one to keep the eye on, maybe. We'll keep an eye on this one just to see if it's bottoming out. Very similar to here. Is it bottoming or is it just fucking with you? All right, Juniper. Juniper, you got to keep on the list just because it's been rallying since June. So we're going to put this on the list for sure. Is this Marriott? I don't know, but it rallied and then it sold off. It's above the 50 and the 200. So something, I mean, the structure looks like a chops loss. So you're going to have to find your timing right. Or you might take a lot of small losses along the way to find the timing. So just, it's not the easiest thing. MongoDB, I'm not doing anything. I'm staying away from this. Look at this. 200-day moving average. We lost to 250 back in May. And we dropped from 375, like over 150 points. So staying away for now. Marathon Oil is, I mean, look, we found 200-day support. We found 50 to test, and now we're like falling. I mean, we want to trade oil. I keep it on the watch list, but I probably won't trade it. How about that? Holiday around a 50. Nike, it's been a dumpster fire. There's a word for it. It just sold off. It's been finding resistance on the 200-day already, and then earnings came out and it just dumped. So I mean, I'm staying away. And XPI, just not. It's a good stock. I think it's semiconductors, but look, just like it's small movements, big freaking volatility. Like I don't want to trade it, but you can keep an eye on it. On semi, tier, Quanta's finding some resistance. I mean, look at AT&T, man. AT&T's down 2.77% today, but it's the communication sector and it's been rallying since June. It's above the 50 and the 200. I mean, I'm not going to trade it, but it's notable. Something to keep an eye on. Communication sector. T-Mobile, same thing. Just, as they rally, I don't know, maybe I could GPT, like, why does communication matter, right? in the markets. I mean, Meta and shit's communication. Be setting up. I have no clue what TRMB is, but we can look into this a little bit more later. Just because we've got a flat 200-day that's found a bit of defense, and then now we try to break above this 50 and finding a support bounce today on it. So, I mean, we want to see it kind of continue higher before we play it, but it's constructive, I guess. TSCO, Bulls tried and then found resistance. So until it's proven, we're in sell mode. TTD, like NXPI up here. I don't really like these like action. You're just losing time premium, but it is turning upwards, right? And this could be a fresh pop up 3.14% TTD. I don't know what the hell they do. We'll put it on the watch list. Same for this Texas Instruments. Very like hard to play it, but when you played it in June, kind of chipped up slowly. There's just better stocks to express with options. This is better like as buying shares and holding. Ulta 200-day moving average or 50. I mean, it's always been a volatile one. A VTR at wow, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna keep it on my watch list. VRTS. VTRS. It's down today. Well, I guess AT&T is down. Like, what's causing the drop in communications today? All right, WMB. This is like you want to be in this one, right? Just kind of, you buy options, you're making money easy, and then it kind of sells off. You get in again, and you're just making money, and then you got a period of, and then boom, now making money. So we putting this on the watch list. I mean, look, in May we rallied, and then we just sold off for 2 months. We had like a freaking blood in the streets day, and we just had a freaking rally to the 50. We tried to break out, we couldn't. They tried to break down, they couldn't. It's up 1.8%. What is it? No, it's up. What the fuck's percent? I don't know. I don't know clue what they do, but they have a cool ticker, XYL. So we'll take that. Cool. So I guess we'll take those tickers and then we'll plug it into here. Oh, does that even work? No, it doesn't work like that. Give me a sec. Oops. All right. So now we're going to plug this in. And these were the ones that I said was like decent looking. So we'll filter it by change and look from the down. All right. So all right, TTD. TTD is legitimate. All right. We've already had like a uptrend, and then now we found some support over at $95, and we're above new signals. I like TTD for a long. Also, I like it. We broke out back in May, consolidated, had like one of those things, right, Kevin? Where Kevin IFF today to see if that's one of those signals that you like. MB, man. I mean, we've been finding support along this whole thing with the net new buy here. So I'm not chasing it now, but whatever sector Williams company is in oil, it's doing his thing, baby. play this, but it's notable that the moving average is starting to move up with a huge dip on buy signal, higher close, new signal take. Maybe. Like, did it really bottom though? Is this it? Is this happening? And is this moving average gonna follow, or who knows? Right here, we found some support, right? And now another one of those flip-flopping ones, Kevin, you know what I mean? Like, but then again, like, I don't like, I've gotten beat down with these before, so it's on watch list. I think these are better plays. Even XYL is a potential play, man. I mean, the high is at 146, which is like about, how far away is that? You know what I mean? Like $6, $5. It's fucking easy, man. I mean, look at this is a trend, yeah. And then we had a period of like selling off. All right, what do they do during the industrial machineries? They got to buy. I don't know. I like it though. I like the setup, man. Look, industrial, like, it's breaking out of this new range, bro. You know what I'm saying, homie? 8. I mean, look, if it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit 6. It's gonna hit 74. You know what I mean? But double bottom though. Distributor. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it on the watch list, but it's not clean. This one, no play. We're in a downtrend. I'm not buying this pop, although we did find a bit of support with a little quick shakeout. Earnings coming up in August, though, so I'll keep an eye on that. Oh, Juniper Networks, man. If you're not buying this, get involved. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, the high's over here. Where's the high at? $38 is at $37. I'm buying this today. All right. Marriott, new highs at 260. We're about $20 down. Like, if we break above 250, I'm buying Marriott. Marathon Oil, just to keep an eye on it, because this is oil, integrated oil, but like, it's I ain't trying to fuck around and find out. All right. Industrial machinery. Didn't we just see another one? Highs at 192. That's like $12 away. We're at 180. Old high was back in January. Something like that. I'll stay away from this one for now, but what are they? They're a pharmaceutical. I mean, look, you're betting it goes like this, potentially. Pharmaceutical, there's room to run. Look into it, somebody. I mean, even though AT&T's down today, it's been in a bull market since like April, May. In an uptrend, clear uptrend. We're going long, not short. All right, we're 14 minutes in. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Hope this was helpful. I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace.